Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MariaDB SkySQL, manage cloud databases step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the MariaDB SkySQL login URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to access the login screen. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the provided field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if needed. Once you've confirmed your credentials, click on the Login button. You will be directed to your MariaDB SkySQL dashboard. From the dashboard, you can manage your cloud databases effectively. Explore the available options and settings to customize your experience. Remember to log out after your session for security reasons. To log out, find the profile icon on the top right corner. Click on the profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into MariaDB SkySQL. Now, you can begin managing your cloud databases effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.